Right, so today I'll be showing you how to use text to speech when posting on Instagram. So for this tutorial, I'll be using an Instagram reel, but it's more or less the same even when you're posting a video on your Instagram stories. So let's go and post a reel. So I'm just gonna go to reels and then maybe pick this image or wherever. If it's a video, you can pick whatever you want. And then let me add text to this. So this is the text I want to change to text to speech. So I'm just gonna tap on the text icon and write some text. I'll say this is Lord, oh, small l, Lord Egerton Castle. Just like that, okay? So I have my text here. So this is a text I want to turn into speech. So what you need to do is long press on that text. And when you long press on it, you'll see a menu to edit and also text to speech. So you can tap on that and that's going to give you that option, okay? So once again, just long press and then you should see the text to speech option. Tap on that and then you can pick a voice. So let's try and sample some of the voices.
This is Lord Egerton Castle.
This is Lord Egerton Castle.
This is Lord Egerton Castle.
So you can, once you choose the voice that you want, you can just select
This
it
is Lord Egerton Castle.
and tap on done. Okay. So
This is Lord Egerton Castle.
and then if you want to, you can
This
even
is Lord Egerton Castle.
you can tap on the edit button and then you can go to that specific text to speech sound and you can delete it if you don't like it, and also you can change it from here. Okay.
Egerton Castle. This is Lord Egerton.
There you go. So let's select it again. Then you can edit and go to the editor.
This is Lord Egerton Castle.
And once you're happy with it, you can now proceed to post your Instagram reel or Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down below. Good luck.